my friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a vocal warm-up with a bit of a vocal workout as well. If you want some more gentle warm-ups, check out this one linked above or one of the ones below. Feel free as always to switch octaves as you need to, and the exercises are listed below. Check in for a moment with your alignment and take a couple of relaxed breaths. Even though some of these exercises are vigorous, we want to make sure to stay relaxed throughout all of them. Let's start with a V sound on. Here we go. A great vocal warm-up for both efficiency and strength is E. Now make sure that we don't clench the jaw on that E. Keep it relaxed. Here we go. This next exercise works both breath onset and coordination. We will sing on key, like key, 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 key. Here we go. Key, 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 key. Key, 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 key. Key, 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 key. Key, 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 Great job. Let's side down. We're looking to keep relaxation in everything we do. Let's sing a more extended phrase now on mi, me, ma, like mi, me, ma, and ga. Mi, me, ma, mi, sing on a he-ah, like he-ah-ee-ah-ee. So this is 4 cycles and then hold. Here we go. Anything that gives us an opportunity to repeat something can build strength and coordination. We're going to sing on ya ya like this. Ya 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 ya. As we go, monitor your neck, jaw, and tongue for tension. Here we go. Ya 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 ya. Let's come back to breath coordination and sing on yo ho ho, like yo ho 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 ho. As we get higher with this, feel free to modify that O to more of an open ah sound. Yo ho 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 ho. 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 And let's sigh all the way down. What are you doing? Great, now we're going to sing on key with a K. It sounds like this. Key. Here we go. Key. really focusing in on relaxing and releasing as we sing on. Here we go. Finally, this last exercise will help propel us into a higher range. We'll sing the words, how cool am I? How cool am I? We want to allow that cool sound to have a healthy puff of supported air behind it. Here we go. How cool am I? 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 Thanks so much for singing with us today. Singing a little every day is a great way to have fun and improve your voice. I will see you next time. So needy.